Namaskar and very warm greetings to all of you. I welcome all of you to this auspicious convocation ceremony organized by the committee members and Student Services Directorate of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And I would like to begin with a shlok in Sanskrit. नव लेखाकार संघ कह विश्वासम धारयन्तु ते ज्ञानम कौश संयुतम आचार्य अतवेन जगति भारत से यशो वहन is for you the new chartered accountants. The new chartered accountants carry trust with competence, knowledge, ethics, and integrity and take India's professional excellence to the whole world. With this shlok at the outset, from the office of the world's largest professional accounting body, the ICAI, serving more than 16 lakhs members and students through its 5 regional councils, 185 branches, 54 overseas chapters, 31 representative offices, having presence in 85 global cities of the 47 countries of the world, let me welcome our most valued invited chief guest of the day, Shri Vivek Bhardwaj ji, Secretary, Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Government of India. I would like to extend our warm welcome to our Honorable President ICI, CA Charanjot Singh Nanda ji, Honorable Vice President CA Prasanna Kumar DG, Central Council Member CA Dr. Sanjeev Singhal ji, Central Council Member CA Durgesh Kabra ji, NIRC Chairman CA Jagjit Singh Jags ji, and off the dais, respected CA Rajendra Kumar PG, the convener of the MNSS Directorate, who has joined this convocation ceremony from Chennai, respected CA Pankaj Shah ji, who is the deputy convener and coordinating from the Indore chapter, Indore office, other distinguished Central Council members, regional council members, proud parents and family members, and my dear newly enrolled members of the Institute who are present here at Delhi and other 14 locations of ICAI. So at first, you deserve, your family deserves a huge round of applause for all your success. Applause for the dignitaries on the dais. It should be for you and for ICAI. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to welcome you at this convocation ceremony. Today is not just a ceremonial occasion, it is a celebration of perseverance, discipline, sacrifice, and success. It marks the formal induction of a new generation of professionals into one of the most respected, rewarded, recognized, and trusted professionals in the country. You have toiled very hard to get this success. But with your hard work and this qualification, you have opened numerous doors for your success in the coming future. My heartiest congratulations to all of you who are receiving their certificates of membership today. I also extend our special congratulations to the rank holders of the CA final examination who will be felicitated today at this function. Your achievement reflects not only academic excellence but also discipline, focus, and an unwavering commitment to quality. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge the contribution made by your parents and family members helping you to achieve this success. This achievement is as much yours as it is theirs. Today's pride in your eyes is the Institute's greatest reward. So dear members, now you are a part of ICI family. So we hope that the Institute, which is recognized for its professional excellence and ethical standard, so you will also appreciate that you are a part of this big family. With this word, since as you embark on this new phase of life, I once again congratulate all of you and extend our heartiest best wishes for fulfilling ethical and impactful professional journey. And at the end, I also like to conclude with a shlok which says, Dharmen panthan magat nav lekha sangkaraka Vaishvikam Manasam Prape Rashtre Gaur Vardhakam. May you, the new chartered accountants, walk the path of righteousness, earn global recognition, and enhance India's pride. And at the end, now we all have to celebrate the success. So I request all of you to do a special clap, which is the ICI clap. I request all of you to please stand and we should, yes, I request all of you to please stand, all the new chartered
All
accountants
centers are requested to please rise.
across all the centers. And now we are going to celebrate your success with a special clap, which is like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes, please come on. 1, 2. Across all regions, you should be there. Yes. Thank you very much. Enjoy your life, enjoy your day, and happy New Year in advance. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.